Most Roku owners are curious about streaming IPTV content on their devices seamlessly. Imagine upgrading easily. But does Roku support IPTV? Many wonder if this device can truly unlock that capacity. Here's the good news. With the right setup, your Roku device becomes an IPTV powerhouse. IPTV offers exciting new TV viewing options. Imagine accessing countless channels with minimal effort. Let's talk about the best IPTV provider. 2TV.store, guaranteed to change your streaming game. 2TV.store tops the list for affordability and variety. It's a globally trusted IPTV service. Installing IPTV on Roku isn't complex. Our step-by-step walkthrough makes it simple. Firstly, you'll need to download a compatible app on your Roku to access IPTV services. Look for an app like M3U Playlist Player or similar to facilitate IPTV streaming. After downloading, use the app to enter your IPTV playlist URL and start watching. In minutes, you'll stream live channels from various countries, all from your Roku device. If ever in doubt, 2TV.store's support team is always ready to assist with setup queries. Roku and 2TV.store together redefine digital entertainment, making streaming affordable and diverse. With a few simple steps, you enhance your viewing experience like never before at home. Stay informed, and remember, with the right tools, IPTV on Roku is perfectly achievable. Discover more about 2TV.store and transform how you consume television with ease today.